I'm going to show you how to make a heart in Slither today. And I actually made hearts with my friend, the Cosmic Wanderer Bunshine, and we did it in Challange Me's spiral bot server maze, which is super fun. And so we fought our way through the maze, and then we made it to over 100k so that we could do 100k hearts together. So there's a couple different ways, and here is Bunshine coming into the frame. And so I'm making my initial heart with 2 loops in it, so one at the bottom and one at the top. And he prefers to do hearts just with the loop at the top, so you'll get to see how to do it 2 different ways. But basically you go up and around, and when you start to go down, you make a loop to your right. And at 100k, it's a little hard to do a tight loop. These are a little bit easier, honestly, when you're smaller. And here you can see both of our hearts, and you'll see that his is not twisted at the bottom, and mine is. When you come down, you then twist around to your left before going back up. And it looks kind of big initially, the loop, but it tightens up as you move around. And so again, I'm just going to let this play a few times so that you can watch it. And here I'm actually wanting our hearts to be a little closer, so I'm moving further to the left so that I can make my heart attach up to his heart. Aww. So anyway, this is just something kind of fun to do in games when you run into a player that you're friends with and you're the right size. You can just go ahead and do a heart, and usually they recognize what you're doing and will make one with you, and it's just kind of fun. So again, you're going to go up and then curve to your left, go down towards the center, then do a loop-de-loop to your right, and then go back up and try to make it kind of nice and fat. And then I'm just going to connect to his heart and go straight down. And actually, I went ahead and did a heart similar to his with no loop-de-loop at the bottom. That's another way. Some people prefer that. You still kind of go down, do your loop-de-loop in the middle, and then go up. And this way we could have hearts that sort of looked the same. I wanted a screenshot of the hearts looking, pretty similar. And then I'll go ahead and skip forward to us doing hearts that both have the second spiral at the bottom. And now here we are just making our last hearts, and both of us are doing ones with 2 loops in them, one at the top and one at the bottom. So it's just a personal preference which way you want to do it, but hopefully if you follow this, you will be able to practice doing them. You can find a slow server from the NTL leaderboard if you use NTL, or just on a phone, go to one of the servers that doesn't have very many people in it, and then get a little bit of mass and try it out for yourself.